Video we are going to see how to use a scroll view. Let us create a sample project. Name it as demo scroll view. First we will add a scroll view. And uncheck content layout guide. Then add content view to the subview of scroll view. Now we will add 3 subviews to the content view. And we will change the color of it and copy pasting it. Now I am going to add layout constraint for the 3 subviews. For first one I am going to add leading, top and trailing constraint and height to 100. Likewise for second view, top, leading and trailing and height. Likewise for third one, leading, top and trailing, height and also for bottom. Now I am going to add constraint for the content view. So top, leading, trailing and bottom to 0. Likewise for scroll view, leading, top, trailing and bottom to 0. Now for content view, give equal width to scroll view. Now you can see errors are cleared and we can fix this white gap. Okay, now we will run the project. We can see 3 subviews here and content view height is less than the scroll view. That's why we are seeing the gap here. Now I am going to increase the height of the subviews. So for first one I am going to give 400. Likewise for second one 400. For third one I am going to give height to 400. Okay, now I am going to run the project. Now I'm going to scroll it. Now we can see the scroll view is scrolling. So we have implemented the scroll view. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.